All right, my loves, we are getting into things a little bit differently today. I am coming through with a bridal hairstyle. I'm getting married soon, and I wanted to give you guys some. All right, my loves, let's get into this unit from KlaiyiHair Hair. So I'm excited about this body wave unit. She really is stunning. She's a 13x4. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. Adjustable straps will kind of forever. She's really beautiful. I mean, the hair on this unit is some of the best. So again, this unit is a 13x4. KlaiyiHair body wave unit with transparent lace. Okay, she's 150% density, and she's currently at 26 inches, going for $241.65. And I want to pause there and say this is a disclaimer. I wore this wig on my head for 3 days straight. Okay, I fried her, dyed her, swam in her, got my groove back with her, and the hair was phenomenal. This is the best body wave unit I've tried in a minute, and I'm really waiting for somebody. And I just did a unit by somebody else, but this one, baby, I was surprised about. So I'm just going on through and just curling this unit on up. Okay, I'm just curling her, adding a little hairspray to her, and then clipping her. And this just makes it easier for me to just get through the entire wig without the curls falling. So I'm using my Babyliss wand curlers to get this really sexy body wave effect. I'm trying to get those curls back and make sure that they look super good and tight. I've been really wanting to go through and get bridal looks going, so I'm going to try every 2 weeks to give you guys a different look, starting with this mother. So again, I'm just going on through, wand curling her and taking my duck clips and making sure that she is secure. So I use the Pump It Up hairspray as well as Tresemme, and it worked wonders. So I'm just going to hush my mouth while we get into styling this up a little bit more. So I'm just going to go on through, guys, and I'm just going to do the bald cap method. Now, I know that you guys are seeing me with my makeup half done, but I had to do it. So I'm just going on through, laying my bald cap down. It makes it a lot easier to have a more transparent lace. if you wear no makeup when you're applying your lace. That's why I'm halfway done. So I wanted to make sure that she laid as seamless as possible because I'm giving a bridal look, and this may potentially be how I look on my wedding day. So I'm just going on through. I already chopped the lace off, and they say that's an arrogant Tay when he's laying his lace wigs. He takes the lace off first and then he goes on through and lays the wig down. So I'm trying a new technique with this. Now I'm going through using my Bold Hold liquid gold. This stuff works wonders. When I use this and just a little bit of the Got to Be Glue freeze spray, my unit really does stay for days. Okay, I could be doing grown people things, young women things, hitting the street, at the church. I'm out there, okay, and the wig is with me. All right, so I'm just going on through and laying this wig on down, and what I'll do is I'll let this stay tied up while I beat the rest of my face. Okay, so I'm just going to go on through and complete our bridal look so we can get a really, really good idea of the day of. Now, let me tell you something. Mother is beat down, okay? I really enjoyed this look. I enjoyed this wig. She is absolutely fire, and I am still outdone by the price point. Again, this unit is $242. 26 inches. I wish I swam in this hair, got out the pool, threw some conditioner in it, rinsed it out, and kept moving, okay, with my day. So I'm just going to go ahead, hush my mouth, and let y'all get into me styling up the rest of this unit. Get into this look. This is one of the first looks I'm trying out. I'm just trying to get an idea how I want to look on my wedding day. I actually really do love this look in particular. This curl is a little janky, but let me say this. KlaiyiHair Hair. I love this hair. I love this hair. I fried this hair, dyed this hair, laid this hair to the mammy tatting side using my Babyless wand curlers and my Infinity Pro. I think these are my Conair barrel curlers, so I can get the big sexy in the front. I love this hair, okay? This unit did not shed. She did not tangle, all right? The lace. Do y'all see that? Melted. Nasty. I'm giving real scalp today too, y'all, like all the way. Let me know how you guys feel about me giving you guys some like bridal looks. Like, what do you think about it? Are you feeling the makeup? I need help. I don't know what I want to look like. I'm coming through with more styles. They will all be different. We will have some different accoutrements for our hair. But let me know what you guys think. I'm giving bridal love with my wax stick. But yeah, this unit is absolutely stunning. Look at that lace. You can part her just about anywhere. I chose a side part just because I wanted to give this kind of sexy ass look, and I feel like I am. Let me turn around. Oh, get into the back. Bam! Let me know how you guys are feeling about this. I'm going to get married. I hope you guys are as worked up as I am. Peep the... I'm getting married. Okay, I am into this. I hope you guys are too. Let me know what you think. Bust down, subscribe to this channel. I'm really into this hair. I'm really into this look. Like really, really into this look. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.